Hi guys, so let's do an unboxing. So guys, I bought a Moynat bag and I got a Moynat bag, tote bag in black. So here this one, it's like the Guyard, similar to Guyard bag, but it's more sturdy compared to the Guyard. Yeah, I like the detail. So they have extra pouch on it, and I like about this one, it's zipper. See, it's nice, and it's a big one, and it's removable. Yeah, and there's another packet inside, so you could put lots of stuff. See, there's another packet, and there's another pocket here. I like it. See. Okay guys,